Guys, this is Jessy, not Mendiola, but Morena, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog, I'm going to share with you what's inside my flight attendant handbag. If you are interested, just keep on watching. Again guys, ito yung bag na ginagamit ko if meron akong lipad, and it is company provided. And so, let's begin. So, first in the checklist of what's inside my bag is pinaka-important, flashlight. This flashlight is a company provided, and it is one of our provides. So, ano nga ba yung provides? Provides is ito yung dadalhin mo in case na magkaroon ng emergency evacuation. Wag naman sana. Example ng provides are first aid kit, emergency medical kit, and megaphone, and flashlight, and the rest. So, bakit flashlight ay isa sa mga provides namin? Kasi itong flashlight na to, napakalaki ng role niya sa aming mga flight attendant. So, itong flashlight na to, ito yung magsisilbing guide para sa mga pasahero for the nearest available exit. Ganito siya.
Exits here, get out, get out. Exits here, get out, get out.
Ganun siya gamitin. Sway mo lang, ganyan. Oh, tapos, itong flashlight na to,
you cannot fly without a flashlight.
isa siya sa unang-unang chine-check during briefing. And, pag wala kang flashlight, automatic bump off ka, girl. Noted ka na ni L1 mo. Next on the list is, I have here a small envelope that consists it has my passport, spare battery. I also have here a memo pad note kung saan nilalagay ko yung name ng airport, name ng mga kalipad ko, name nila captain, ni first officer, and kung saan yung destination namin, and kung ilang oras yung lipad namin, and yung yun lang naman. Tsaka, kung ilan yung pasahero namin. Closed doors, ganun. Next is, oh my God. I have here my cabin crew competency card. Ito yung nagsisilbing license namin. Paglilipad kami, and we cannot fly without this. And also, those. And etong license nito, dito mo makikita kung saang aircraft ka qualified, kung kailan ka ni-release. Yan. Issued by CAAP ito. Next, I have here my in-flight announcement guide. This one, pag sira yung monitor namin, yung mga automatic announcement, nandito yung example. A pleasant afternoon to everyone. Welcome aboard Cebu Pacific. This is flight 5J bound for. Only guests for this flight should be on board. Ito siya. Next is, I have here, meron pa akong plating. Ayan. Plating, ganyan.
Ganyan yung aaralin nyo.
Yan lang yung laman. And, gusto ko lang sabihin na even international, my God, ang ingay. Yan, emphasize ko lang na yung passport is even domestic. Ayun guys, even domestic, kailangan dala-dala mo yung passport mo kasi may time na ipupull out ka ng scheduling para lumipad ka ng international flight. So, it's a must and you cannot fly without a passport. Shock, sorry, ang ingay nila. Next on the list is I have here my personal first aid kit. So, yung laman niya is madami. Gamot, vitamins, in case lang naman, mahilo, meron akong Bonamine, Tita Kit, inhaler, meron akong Omega, ganon, Band-Aid, bandages, meron akong cotton balls in case na meron kaming infant na passenger, and para hindi masyado masakit si ears, binibigyan ko sila niyan, yung mother. Next is I have here another Tita Kit. Skating ko. Next, candy. This is an icebreaker sour. Magising sa flight. Next, I have here my Bulgari Amethyst. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa lipad. Mabango kasi. Next, I have here may mask, surgical mask. Since lumilipad ako before, I am part of Cat 97 when there are only 97 cabin crew who fly amidst of the pandemic. Yan, kaya meron ako yan. Next is, I have here my wallet. Guess. I have here cards. Ooh, may cash. May cash pa, girl. I have here cash. I also have here barya, loose change. Kasi pagka nagbabuy on board kami, pag umaga, barya lang po sa umaga, please. Wag po kayo magbayad ng isang tubig, 40 pesos, 1,000 ibibigay. First flight of the day, ang hirap maghanap ng barya. Kaya, kaming mga cabin crew, lagi kaming may dalang barya. Next, ball pens. Kasi, pag lumilipad kami international, marami kasing finifill upan yung mga passenger. And sana, yung mga humiram po ng ball pen, please, pakibalik naman po. Ang dami ng ball pen ang nawala sa akin, guys. Next, yung pocket, meron siyang pocket na maliit. This one. I have here my car keys, rosary, guidance, pag lumilipad tayo. And coins, more coins. And it's empty. That's all. Yun ang laman ng aking flight attendant handbag. Those are the things inside my flight attendant bag. So guys, if you have any suggestion for my next vlog, feel free to comment down below and I will be very happy to do it for you guys. So, if you are new here on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell below so that you'll get updated whenever I posted a video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.